Ready to discover the world's most thrilling destinations while staying safe on your journey? This video is your ultimate guide to top adventure travel hotspots and the essential safety tips every explorer needs to know. Are you ready to redefine adventure? The world of travel is shifting, and 2025 promises incredible, off-the-beaten-path experiences for the intrepid explorer. Forget the crowds. It's time to discover authentic journeys that challenge, inspire, and connect you deeply with our planet. Over-tourism is a growing concern, pushing conscious travelers towards unique, less explored locales. These emerging hotspots offer genuine experiences, rich culture, and stunning natural beauty. They also prioritize sustainability, aligning with the values of today's responsible adventurer. These destinations are not just new places to visit, they represent a new way to travel. They offer a chance to immerse yourself without the usual tourist throngs. Get ready to explore places that are truly special. Nestled between Venezuela, Brazil, and Suriname, Guyana is rapidly becoming a must-visit. With 87% of its territory covered in pristine rainforest, it offers an unparalleled wilderness experience. This is truly a gem for eco-conscious adventurers. What makes Guyana unique is its community-led tourism model. Indigenous villages manage eco-lodges and guide services, ensuring direct benefits for local communities. This approach fosters authentic cultural exchange and sustainable development. Adventurers can trek through the majestic Kanuku Mountains, spotting jaguars in the Iwakrama Forest. Witness the awe-inspiring Kayatur Falls, the world's largest single-drop waterfall by volume. New direct flights from Miami and New York are making this incredible destination more accessible than ever. As environmental photojournalist Maya Chen noted, Guyana offered the most authentic rainforest experience I've ever had. Waking up to howler monkeys and exploring with indigenous guides who've lived in the forest their entire lives. It's the definition of adventure travel. While Italy's popular spots face over-tourism, Calabria, the toe of Italy's boot, remains refreshingly authentic. This rugged region blends pristine coastlines, mountain wilderness, and rich cultural heritage. It offers all the charm without the crowds of the Amalfi Coast. Adventure seekers can hike through the wild Aspromonte and Sila National Parks. Explore ancient Byzantine-era ghost towns, or dive along 500 miles of coastline. Calabria boasts some of Europe's cleanest waters and 20 blue flag beaches. The region's appeal extends to culinary adventurers. It's the birthplace of the bergamot orange and home to distinctive Nduja sausage and Greco di Bianco wine. Calabria offers authentic food experiences untouched by mass tourism. As South Korea gains popularity, Jeju Island is emerging as its premier sustainable adventure destination. This volcanic UNESCO World Heritage Site combines dramatic natural landscapes with cutting-edge sustainability initiatives. It's a perfect blend of nature and innovation. Adventure travelers can hike the dormant Mount Halasan volcano or explore Manjangal, the world's longest lava tube cave system. Trek the Old Trail, a 422-kilometer route circumnavigating the island. Jeju is committed to becoming carbon neutral by 2030. For 2025, Jeju is also rising as a wellness adventure destination. Traditional Korean wellness practices are integrated into experiences. Enjoy forest therapy trails, volcanic hot springs, and unique Haenyeo, female freediver cultural immersions. Tucked away in the Caucasus Mountains, Georgia's Svaneti region is one of Europe's last true mountain wildernesses. Characterized by medieval stone towers and villages perched above 2,000 meters, it offers authentic cultural experiences. This remote area is becoming increasingly accessible. The region provides world-class trekking, including the 4-day Mestia to Ushguli route. This trail takes hikers through remote villages, virtually unchanged for centuries. Winter brings exceptional backcountry skiing and heliskiing opportunities, rivaling the Alps without the crowds. Svaneti is developing community-based tourism initiatives for 2025. Visitors can experience unique Svan culture while ensuring tourism benefits local communities. New guest houses operated by Svan families offer authentic homestays, enhancing the cultural immersion. Tasmania's remote western region is a compelling destination for wilderness adventurers in 2025. This rugged landscape features ancient rainforests, wild rivers, and dramatic mountain ranges. It boasts some of the most pristine natural environments on Earth. The newly expanded Trans-Tasmania Trail offers mountain bikers and hikers a challenging multi-day adventure. The Franklin River provides world-class whitewater rafting through pristine wilderness. New guided dark sky experiences capitalize on the region's incredibly clear night skies. Tasmania's western wilds are committed to sustainable adventure tourism. Strict environmental protections ensure these wilderness areas remain pristine. Innovative accommodation, like the award-winning shipping container lodges at Pump House Point, offer comfort with minimal environmental impact. These 5 destinations signify a major shift in adventure travel trends. They offer authentic experiences in less crowded settings. Crucially, they prioritize sustainability and direct benefits for local communities. As you plan your adventures to these emerging destinations, prioritizing safety is paramount. Remote locations, evolving geopolitical landscapes, and health considerations demand thoughtful preparation. Here are comprehensive safety strategies for the modern adventure traveler. Preparation is key to a successful and safe journey. Don't let the allure of the unknown overshadow the importance of being well-informed. Your safety is your responsibility. The geopolitical landscape is constantly evolving, impacting travel safety. For adventurers heading to emerging destinations, staying informed about political stability and security is crucial. Register with your government's travel advisory service, like the U.S. State Department's STEP program. Use multiple sources for security information, including local news and specialized travel security services. Consider political stability when planning, researching upcoming elections, or potential unrest. Be cautious in border regions, as security situations can differ significantly. Comprehensive travel insurance with evacuation coverage is non-negotiable for remote adventure destinations. As adventure safety consultant Marco Ramirez advises, the most successful adventure travelers I know spend as much time researching security and safety as they do researching the adventures themselves. Health considerations are paramount for adventure travelers, especially in remote or developing regions. Beyond standard vaccinations, comprehensive precautions are essential. Consult a travel medicine specialist at least 8 weeks before departure, as some vaccinations require multiple doses. Pack a comprehensive medical kit tailored to your destination, including prescription medications and water purification methods. Research medical facilities at your destination, knowing where the nearest reliable hospitals are. Consider telemedicine services for remote consultations. Understand your destination's specific disease risks beyond COVID-19. Be aware of malaria, dengue, and yellow fever. Proper health planning can make all the difference, as demonstrated by Alex's trek in Svaneti, Georgia, where his detailed health plan and satellite communicator proved invaluable. The right equipment can transform a challenging situation into a manageable one. For 2025's adventure travelers, technological advancements offer new safety options, while traditional gear remains vital. Invest in reliable communication devices. Satellite communicators like Garmin InReach or Spot allow two-way messaging and emergency signaling from anywhere. Portable power solutions, such as solar chargers and high-capacity power banks, ensure your devices stay functional. Always carry physical maps and a compass. Never rely solely on digital navigation. Survival essentials include water purification systems like portable filters or UV purifiers. An emergency shelter, such as a lightweight bivvy or tarp, provides critical protection if stranded. A multi-tool and repair kit can prevent minor gear issues from escalating into dangerous situations. In 2025, digital security is as crucial as physical safety. Protecting personal data and managing your digital footprint in remote locations are essential. Use a reliable VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi to protect your information from hackers. Download offline maps, translation tools, and essential apps before departure, as connectivity can be unreliable. Be mindful of social media sharing. Real-time posts can compromise your safety by revealing your location. Back up important documents to secure cloud storage. Consider using a dedicated travel phone or device to limit potential data exposure. This separates your primary personal data from your travel activities. Digital preparedness is a key component of modern adventure travel. Understanding and respecting local customs is not just about being a good visitor. it's a crucial safety strategy. In many emerging destinations, cultural awareness can help you avoid unnecessary risks and conflicts. Research cultural norms and taboos before arrival. Learning basic phrases in the local language demonstrates respect and can be invaluable in emergencies. Always ask permission before photographing people or religious sites. Respect religious practices and sacred sites by observing dress codes and behavior expectations. Be aware of local laws that might differ from your home country, including regulations on alcohol, dress codes, and public behavior. Cultural sensitivity fosters positive interactions and can prevent misunderstandings that might lead to unsafe situations. For 2025's adventure destinations, standard travel insurance is often insufficient. Look for policies that specifically cover adventure activities like trekking, diving, or climbing. Medical evacuation from remote areas is a non-negotiable inclusion. Ensure coverage for high-altitude activities if applicable to your trip. Trip cancellation due to destination-specific events is also vital. Additionally, seek coverage for expensive gear and equipment. Companies like World Nomads, Safety Wing, and Ripcord Rescue Travel Insurance offer specialized coverage tailored for adventure travelers. Investing in the right insurance provides peace of mind and crucial support when you need it most. The most significant travel trend for 2025 is not just where we go, but how we travel. Sustainable practices have moved from a niche concern to a mainstream expectation, especially among adventure travelers exploring fragile or emerging destinations. Responsible travel ensures that your adventures contribute positively to the places you visit. It's about leaving a minimal footprint and maximizing positive impact. This mindset is crucial for preserving the very environments we seek to explore. As adventure travelers venture into more remote and pristine environments, practicing responsible tourism becomes even more critical. These principles help ensure your adventures don't negatively impact the destinations you explore. Follow Leave No Trace principles diligently. Pack out all waste, stay on designated trails, and minimize your impact on fragile ecosystems. Choose locally owned accommodations and guides to ensure your tourism dollars directly benefit local communities. Offset your carbon footprint using services like Cool Effect or Sustainable Travel International. Minimize single-use plastics by packing reusable water bottles, food containers, and shopping bags. Respect wildlife by maintaining appropriate distances. Never feed wild animals or disturb natural behaviors for photographs. As Dr. Elena Rodriguez, a sustainable tourism researcher, states, the most sustainable adventure is one where you leave a destination better than you found it. Guyana's approach to tourism development offers a compelling model for sustainable adventure travel. It prioritizes community ownership and environmental protection over conventional tourism patterns. This ensures long-term benefits for both people and nature. The Surama Ecolodge in Guyana's North Rupununi region exemplifies this approach. Entirely owned and operated by the Makushi community, the lodge employs local guides and serves locally sourced food. Profits are directed into community development projects, including healthcare and education. Visitors to Surama engage in genuine cultural exchange while exploring the rainforest with knowledgeable local guides. This model strengthens communities and provides travelers with authentic experiences impossible to replicate in conventional tourism settings. With greenwashing becoming more sophisticated, identifying genuinely sustainable options is crucial. Look for specific, verifiable sustainability practices rather than vague claims. Seek recognized certifications like Rainforest Alliance, EarthCheck, or the Global Sustainable Tourism Council. Transparency about challenges and limitations is a good sign. Look for clear evidence of community involvement and benefit sharing. Prioritize businesses demonstrating a long-term commitment to sustainability, not just recent green marketing efforts. Turning travel inspiration into reality requires thoughtful planning, especially for emerging destinations. These practical strategies will help you create memorable adventures while navigating the unique challenges of off-the-beaten-path travel in 2025. Careful preparation ensures a smoother, more enjoyable, and safer journey. Don't underestimate the importance of logistics when venturing into the unknown. For emerging destinations, timing significantly impacts your experience. Climate considerations, local festivals, and seasonal activities all play important roles.